That was about a year before we had the 1987 stock market crash, which happened in October of 87. Even though October is infamous for big stock market crashes, historically, the weakest month of the year for the stock market is not October, it's actually September. Now, of course, the main reason I think that Tesla needs to raise cash is because it's not making that much cash selling cars. It makes a lot more money selling stock than it does selling cars. Tesla was the 7th biggest by market cap stock in the United States, number 7. In fact, if you add to Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Daimler, BMW, GM, and Ford, if you add all those auto companies together, you still get a market cap that is lower than the market cap of Tesla. I mean, think about that. One company, Tesla, being worth more than all of the other automobile companies. The entire auto industry would have a value less than the value of Tesla. And if the market is being truthful, then what investors in theory are forecasting is that pretty much Tesla will own 50% or more of the world's auto market, meaning that half the cars sold will be Teslas. Now, of course, that's not going to happen. I mean, it's not even come close to coming true. But, of course, I don't think anybody who's buying Tesla stock even thinks about that, even cares about that. The stock that stole the show today was Zoom, right? Zoom Video came out and their earnings really beat estimates, so the stock was up 40% one day. Look, I get the idea that more people are using Zoom now. The question is this a permanent shift? Because in order for you to believe that Zoom is going to continue to have the type of revenues in the future that it has now when everybody is locked down and worried about COVID, then you have to assume that everybody's going to stay locked down and they're always going to worry about COVID. But that's not what the market is assuming. Everybody's assuming that we're going to have a cure, that we're going to have a vaccine. The market is booming because the belief is that, the economy is going to get better. Well, then why are they also assuming that it's never going to get better? Because that's what you have to believe to assume that, everybody is going to stay in Zoom and they're not going to resume their in-person meetings. But look, this is the biggest bubble that we've ever seen. We have the most reckless Federal Reserve that there's ever been. People that are buying the NASDAQ stocks, they think the party's never going to end. They couldn't care less. We're going to party forever, right? They haven't the least bit of concern. And obviously, this is not going to end well. The party is not going to go on forever. It is going to end. And it is going to be a spectacular disaster.